We're going to start by crossing 1 and 3, 4. From here, we're going to scoop to the side 5, 6, 7. So for that scoop, you want to make sure that you are crunching your hip up to your rib cage. And right before you get there, you want to keep that left knee bent so you have somewhere to push up, bringing your ankle to your knee on your right side first. So you don't want to push out to the side, lifting your hip right away, fire hydrant-esque. Instead, you want to go straight up, lift the hip while your ankle is still close to your knee, and then reach out. So before you put all your weight down and sink into that right foot, you should have that right hip out, then bend the knees, and keep that right hip to the right, and then push it over to the left and come up. So let's try it. We're going to stop on 4. 1 and 3, 4. So I have soft knees here. I push up, ankle to knee, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take a left turn, but just to the back. 1, prep, 2, 3, turn, side, basic. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, we're going to cross our right foot in front on 1. We're going to prep side basic 2. Now you're going to turn half a turn to the right. As you do that, leave the left foot where it is, and it's going to sweep into this nice big arc on 3. You're going to Susie Q, 5, 6, 7. So let's talk about this sweep a little bit first. After you step 1, 2, when you go to your right foot on 3, you're going to bend down, keep your weight underneath your right hip. You don't want to be split weight because you're only staying on the right foot. That left foot is moving. So we're here on 2 on the left. We go to the right, 3. As you go to the right, turn the entire body to the right side, 3, and you're going to keep that left foot going until you hit that 5, 6, 7, so it's nice and continuous. Let's try from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's go over the styling for that. So when we start, we're going to bring our arms up and tap our shoulders. We're going to lift the elbows so our fingertips come forward to the front of the room and straight up. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3. We're going to cross behind 4, and then we're going to reach with our right hand on 5. Scoop so thumb comes down 6, and then bring it down to your thigh. Don't worry about the left hand for now. So once we've reached, this is when we're taking our right hand out. You're going to drop the fingertips down, wrist comes up, scoop, holding the wrist in place. Once your palm comes down to the floor again, drop it down towards your thigh. Your left hand is going to stay here for a second. After you finish that scoop, it's also going to come down. So the scoot happens first, and then you're going to release that left hand so they come down at the same time. So just the arm styling, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to add a little bit more to that. So instead of just stopping on 7, we're going to go 5, 6, 7. So we're bumping up the speed a little bit so that instead of stopping here on 7, we stopped here on 6 and we slid up on 7. 1 beat earlier. Here we go. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you'll notice that I take the scoop with my left hand as well. Slowly, palm faces away from you, thumb drops down, scoop in, bring the elbow in a little bit, and then bring it down. If that's too much, from here, just take the left straight down. Okay, we're going to try it now slow with our footwork. We go 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Hands are going to come straight down on 2, straight up on 3. We're going to turn to the back, 5, side, basic. And the arms are going to go behind the head. So for the scoop, once your hand comes out here, you're going to drop it down and bring it around. Notice how the wrist isn't moving as you rotate. So you scoop and bring it back down without moving the wrist. Once the palm gets down to the floor, that's when you bring it back down. From the top, 5, 6, 7, we go. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, down, up, 5, 6, 7. Okay, from here, you're facing the back of your room. 1, we're just keeping neutral arms, so they'll naturally prep to the right on 1. We're going to bring left hand on top, right hand on the bottom on 2. Now, as we sweep, your arms are going to go straight up and around, and I'll do that facing away in a second so you can see it from a different point of view. But for now, you're here on 2. You're going to sweep 3, and then Susie Q, 5, 6, 7. Now let's do that facing this way, just the arms. Left hand's going to start on top on 2. You're going to straighten the arms, swing them around to the other side. Right will go behind the head. Left comes up, caressing the side until you get to neutral. So this is 1. Actually, technically you're here on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's try it just from facing the back of your room. You're going to cross your right foot in front on 1. Left arm comes on top on 2. Sweep 3, 5, 6, 7. From the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From the top. When we finish it, hold there so we can do our last bar. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1 and 3, 4, reach 6, 7. 1, down and up. 5, side basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, from here, you're going to sweep 1, 2, 3. So right hand will come up, left hand will come down. So we just went 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So your left hand starts to caress up because it finished here. It's going to keep going and then come over to the right side. Your right hand caresses down and it's going to go down and up. So we're here on 7. We go 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to cross 5, 6, 7. Facing the front, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So let's go after our sweep. We just came around for our right turn. 1, 3. We Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. We sweep slow. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that last part for the head rolls, check out that head roll video if you want a little bit more practice with them. But for this head roll, we're going down towards our chin and straight up. So we're not doing a full head roll. We're doing our check mark version of our head rolls on 5, 6, 7, and making sure to make eye contact with the front of our room before we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.